Hey guys, we're going to do a drawing challenge today. You'll need a bit of paper and a pencil and possibly a rubber. We would love it if you would send in your finished drawings so that we can have a look. I'm sure they will be absolutely amazing. So the first thing you need to draw roughly in the centre of the page is a little arch, just like that. Then you need to do two little oval circles like this. The next thing you need to draw is two little circles inside the bigger circles. Don't worry if they're not perfect, we can fix them. The next thing is an oval under the arch, just like that. After that, a big smiley face. Once you've done that, the next stage is the bottom of the mouth. And then after that, it is the tongue. Just like two little humps inside the mouth. After that, you need to draw two curves that come down just about touching the first little arch you did. The next thing is to come round the mouth and down. The same on the other side. And then join these up. As I said, don't worry if it's not perfect. After you've done that, you'll see that you've started to get the actual shape of the Mickey Mouse face. So then you need to join or draw a circle all the way round. Once you've done that, what's missing? Oh, I think it'll be his ears. So then we need to draw two big circles. And there's your first Mickey Mouse done.